this off, I'm having a little technical difficulty. I love the way it looks. I mean, here goes those freaking huge inputs I was telling you about. Alright guys, so if you watched the previous unboxing video for the Skar Audio EDL12 dual 4s, that's what probably brought you here. If you didn't see that video, you can click here or there and it'll bring you right to that. But this video specifically is for the Skar Audio amp you see sitting right here beside me. This is the RP series. So without further ado, this is the Skar Audio RP-3500.1D. You can't forget that because it stands for Dickson. No, I'm just playing. I'm standing for Dickson. Dickson's my last name, by the way, just in case you didn't know. Haha. Anyway, this amplifier, it pushes out 3,500 watts RMS at 1 ohm. It pushes out, I believe it says 2,300 watts RMS at 2 ohms and 1,200 watts RMS at 4 ohms. Now, this amplifier itself, something I absolutely love about it, and I'm going to take out the box and show it to you guys, but it actually has these 1-out-0 inputs for the power and the ground. I've never seen an amplifier with inputs for the power and the ground that big. I mean, let alone that I've never owned an amplifier capable of such power. But the box it comes in, it's a really, it's really neat design. I like our Skar Audio, and they show you, this side of the amplifier, as if, that's the side that is actually the way it's in the box, and then that side, or, I can actually put it like that for you guys and flip it around and, like that. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and take this bad baby out the box. So there's that. You got it actually comes just like with the EDL12s. It comes with a owner's manual. It tells you about, well, I'm sure it doesn't tell you about every freaking RP series amplifier that they make for the subwoofer specific, but it will give you just about everything you need to know for this specific amplifier. And well, actually it does tell you about most RP and even the amplifiers for the mids and highs, so that's pretty cool on their part. So yeah, it comes with the owner manual, like I said before. It comes with a bass knob. I haven't taken out the plastic yet, but it comes with a bass knob. It comes actually with the cable, for the bass knob, of course. And I've never had an amp come with freaking Allen wrenches before. Yeah, I've never had an amp come with Allen wrenches before, and that's pretty neat on their part because a lot of people don't have them. If you don't got them, I don't know. I don't judge, but maybe you should. You should know what they are at least. But I mean, you got some big old freaking 1-out-0 inputs on here. You definitely need some Allen wrenches to get those on. Like I said, and another thing I like too about these, all the inputs on this for the speaker terminals and the power, the ground, and the remote, that these are actually all Allen heads. They're not number 1 screwdriver, number 2 screwdriver, number 1 Phillips. I mean a number 1 flathead or number 2 flathead. Sometimes you have those, but these are actually Allen keys, so you can actually get a good tight on it and don't risk stripping out the top of that. So I work with aircraft, so I do that a lot, working with freaking flatheads and Phillips and tighten them, and it gets a little slip and you strip it a little bit. So Allen keys, definitely you don't have that much of a risk. But let me take it out the box for you guys. Oh, another neat thing what I love about this, it comes with protection on both sides, so you take the amplifier out, pretty heavy amplifier. I'm gonna get this off, I have a little technical difficulty. So as you can see, this is the amplifier itself, like I said before. I like the finish on it. I don't even know what type of finish you even call that. It's like almost like a brushed finish, but black, if that makes sense. Here goes those freaking huge inputs I was telling you about for the power and the ground, which are freaking giant. And then, like I said, you get on this side. It seems to feel that you got your RCA inputs, and then you got all your gain, low pass filter, phase, all that type of stuff. You got your bass knob there, and then over here you have your slave switch. Now that's what I love about these amps, because you have the slave switch and it has the input, so you can actually slave them together, or strap input, where you can strap these amps together. And that's another neat thing about Skar Audio, to where you can actually say you buy one of these and you bought 2 EDL12s, and you say, well, you know what, I want double the power now, so you can actually buy another one of these, 2 more of those, and it makes it a lot more simpler with hooking it up just by slaving these amps together. So I've never seen an amp with that type of feature. That's pretty neat on Skar Audio's part. So like I said before, I mean, this is absolutely probably one of the best amps. Well, it is the best amp I've ever owned. I love the finish of it. I love the way it looks. I mean, Skar Audio definitely, they did a work of art when they came up with this design, this exact finish. I hear this amp runs pretty freaking well, especially at 1 ohms. Not too many amps out there that are actually capable to run a stable 1 ohm without them freaking burning up or you damaging components inside of it. But this is specifically made for that, and I can't wait to push the limits on it. That's the unboxing video for the RP-3500.1D. I hope you guys enjoy, you know, the videos, the content that we put out. You know, like I said, you can hit this bell in the corner to get notifications when we have uploads. We actually got this install video coming for this stuff that you see. One of these things have not been spoken about yet, but it's a video coming on that soon. If you watched the last video, you'll know that maybe it was something in there that wasn't in there that is in this one. I mean, yeah, wink wink. Anyways, that's the unboxing on the RP-3500.1D by Skar Audio. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and hope you enjoy.